Hi guys, it's me, Winter Moon. Help! Winter Moon. Yeah, whatever. Today we're playing Sunset Island in Royal High. It's been like last year to this year I didn't play it. It's been like a long time. So we're playing it finally today. So yeah, so we're just going to start dressing up. So it's Galaxy Space fashion. So let's wear that. Let's take out all the accessories I have now. Alright, now let's get ready. First, let's get the hairstyle and let's get it purple. But first, we need to find a hairstyle. I know which one. This one. And we should do it purple. Which one is Galaxy? Oh. This one! This is Galaxy. Wait, can we like... Ooh. I should do it dark because Galaxy is actually dark, so yeah. Face, we need to do it purple. First, I love this girl who makes faces. This one. Let me show you. This girl. She's a really good art. She's like an artist with these faces. Which one has the color purple? Oh, this one. Yup. And let's get ready to get like purpley Galaxy. There it is. Alright. Now which hat should we put? This one, because it's so Galaxy. I think this is the hole we need some shoes, boots. So give her the shadow press boots to match it. And let's wear the shadow press skirt. And that's how I look like. Now we're just going to wait till the countdown to that starts. So yeah, what do you think about this outfit? I think this is the win. I'll be right back. Hi guys, I'm back. So it's starting and we can't wait. Yay! Oh, there's a lot of people who didn't wear like this Galaxy. No one can find that. Ooh. I'm the only girl who is wearing that. Oh wait, she is, but not the same hair. And she is. Wow. There's two people dressing up like me, like the color of the palette. It's okay. They must not looking. They can't find any others, so yeah, they were like that. It's okay. I miss it how we played me and my sister, Sunset Island. Alright, it's taking forever here. What is the best way to make a new friend? My best way actually to make friend is actually I meet her, say hi, then we say can we be friends? Then she'll say yes. Then we play, and we close her friends. Then we be best friends. What's the best way to make new friends? Oh, do you have a pet? If so, what kind of pet are they? And what is a funny trait about them. If not, what pet do you want if you could have one? Oh, well, I have a cat and he's a boy. He's funny too. He plays with me a lot and he's so cute. He's like a fluffy. Oh my god. She's not replaying. Why is it lagging? Ooh, I'm the second one. I mean, I'm the third one to come in that. I know what to do to show this show really good. Okay, there I am. I have to make some pose. Okay. uh, yes, this pose looks so cute. Oh, look, it's Call Me Bob. Make it play with Leah Ash. Ooh. Why Inquisitor Master isn't there? Cause she was in that studio. Cause she plays Royal High. That's okay. Where's Santa too? Okay, I know who to vote. So I'm going to vote this girl and this girl. She's not wearing Galaxy, and she's not wearing Galaxy, so I'm probably going to vote this girl too. Just they're wearing the purple and black and Galaxy, and the rest aren't. So yeah. Ooh. Who is it? Who is it? Oh, he isn't wearing Galaxy. That's. Oh my gosh, here we go again. The annoying people. Oh wait, I want to place. Let me tell her to move, please. Oh my gosh, congrats. Oh my god. And I voted you too. Alright, you guys, this was a fun ending. So you guys hope you hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to comment and don't forget to join the giveaway. I'm doing a Robux giveaway and a Robux card. You just need to say your username and like this video and subscribe to enter. Goodbye, you guys. Love you.